Let's talk about street food cravings. Usually, grabbing that heavy falafel wrap means sacrificing your nutrition goals for the rest of the day. We are going to build a high-protein, zero-refined flour version of that exact meal using a precise pan-searing technique. Before we touch a stove, there is one non-negotiable rule. Your chickpeas must be soaked in water overnight, and they must never be boiled. By stripping out the deep fryer and ditching the refined pita bread, you turn a heavy cheat meal into a dinner you can eat every day. Set up your food processor and drop in those raw, soaked chickpeas. Next, toss in a roughly chopped onion. Add a generous handful of fresh coriander. Keep the stems attached. They hold the majority of the flavor and moisture for the patty. Follow that up with fresh parsley and a few cloves of garlic. Look at the spice layout. We need exact measurements of salt, black pepper, roasted cumin powder, and cardamom alongside our chickpeas. When you run the blender, use short, controlled pulses. Do not let the blades spin at a continuous high speed. This diagram shows why internal structure matters. The dense paste on the left traps moisture, steaming from inside to create a soggy center. But the aerated, coarse matrix on the right allows heat to travel freely, creating a perfectly crispy exterior. Stop blending the moment your mixture feels like wet sand. This coarse finish provides the structural resistance needed to achieve a satisfying crunch without the high-fat trade-offs of the deep fryer. Wait to add your baking soda until the last possible second. Mix it in right before you start shaping. Lightly coat your palms with a drop of oil to keep the chickpea mixture from sticking to your hands. Most falafels are round spheres, but shape yours into a flat, wide disc like this one. A flat surface maximizes contact with the pan. Place a nonstick pan on the stove and add exactly 2 tablespoons of cooking oil. This cross-section shows our heat dynamics. With a high flame, the exterior burns rapidly, while the center stays completely raw. Instead, keep your stove on low. That steady heat penetrates slowly, safely cooking the core without charring the crust. Patience over a low flame ensures a fully cooked interior and a textured shell, successfully replicating the results of a deep-fat fryer. For the wrap itself, lay down a large whole wheat chapati. Spread a thick layer of homemade hummus right down the center. Stack on high-volume, low-calorie greens, starting with a bed of fresh lettuce. Layer up julienned carrots, sliced beetroot, and crisp onions. Drop your hot pan-fried falafels directly onto the vegetables. Instead of mayonnaise or heavy sauces, finish it off with a drizzle of high-protein hung curd. To seal the wrap without tearing the chapati, follow this geometry. Tuck the left and right sides inward over the filling, then roll the base tightly upward to the top. These precise ingredient swaps shift the macronutrient balance, turning what is normally a calorie-dense meal into fuel for your weight loss goals. Slice your finished wrap diagonally to reveal the internal architecture. You can see the vibrant layers and that perfectly cooked chickpea core. You've just prepared a protein-dense dinner that recreates the street food experience from your own kitchen. Capture a photo and tag me on Instagram. I want to see your progress. And if you're ready for more high-protein options, hit the subscribe button below. Sustainable progress is rarely built on restriction. It happens here, in the kitchen, by finding high-protein ways to keep your favorite meals on the menu.